Okay, since I am going to be reviewing high-end products, I had to narrow down my top-end DAC amp setup. And there were a few different options that I came down to. Basically, I narrowed it down to the Schiit Jotunheim, the Audio God or Audio GD NFB11, or the JDS Labs EL Stack. And the EL Stack is what I ultimately ended up settling on. Now I settled on this for a couple reasons. Basically, the Jotunheim, everything I kept reading about it is that thing put off so much heat, like an incredible amount of heat. And this room I'm in already gets insanely hot. So I wanted to go with something that didn't put off as much heat. I mean, they're all still going to be putting off quite a bit of heat, but I wanted something that put off less heat. So that's why I decided to go with the JDS Labs EL Stack. The other option was the NFB11, but really, I don't know. The website you order that from is super sketchy. I know that's the only way to order it, but the other reason why I decided to go with the EL Stack was after I actually saw a review by DMS. He actually directly compared the two. And once I saw that, it kind of made everything easy for me at that point. I know a lot of people are like, oh, why didn't you do the Monoprice THX 789? Or wait, no, Mass Drop, Monoprice Mass Drop, I always get those mixed up. The Mass Drop 789 AAA THX. I'm butchering that right now. Didn't really script this, even though I probably should have. But the reason why I didn't go with that is you can't really get it. It is so difficult to get. I've missed out on 3 drops for it. Usually the drop occurs when I'm on my way to work or whatever, so it's only up for about an hour. Some people have said it's been up for a couple hours. Maybe I just didn't check. I don't know. So I decided to go with the JDS Labs EL Stack. Mainly because this is going to be something most people will be able to get. Whereas the Mass Drop, you're going to be hit or miss getting that. This is something much more attainable and just as amazing. Well, I haven't heard the other one, so I can't say just as amazing, but this is something everybody can get. Everybody can go on JDS Labs, buy this right away, get it right away. I'm rambling. Let's go ahead and just open up here. A couple cables for connection, because basically I got a full setup here. Should I do this in pieces all at once? I don't know. I should probably plan this stuff out in advance. I'm going to assume these are transformers. Oh yeah, it says right there, 16 volt AC power adapter. I don't need to open that up. We don't need to see what transformers look like, so we'll just put that over there. Another, why am I not looking at the side of the box where it says it? 16 volt AC transformer. Okay, so it's coming with 2 16 volt AC transformers. I bought these cables separately. It does not include those. This is the other piece of the puzzle here. All right, let's open one box at a time here. Let's start with this one. All right, they're not labeled. I just wanted to verify real quick before I go opening this up and go, oh my God, I should have opened up this over here first. Oh my God, I should probably figure out how to open up a box first. Oh, don't rip. There we go. All right. Ooh, snap. All right. Little quick start things that I don't really care much about right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, it even comes with its own cables? Interesting. Did not know that. I want to get straight to this, though. Let's put this here for now. Let's put this off to the side for now. Should really prep for these things. But yeah, I went ahead and got my little name inscribed there because it's a feature they offer for free. I didn't even have to pay extra for this. I kind of wish I had like a logo so I could put on top of here. But this is the DAC. This is the EL DAC. Oh, you can't really see that, I doubt, because this camera sucks for detail. But this is a nice little rubberized, texturized bottom plate. Oh my God, look at the fingerprints. Magnets. It's all good. I'm not going to be touching that too often. Oh, that looks nice. EL Stack. All right. Anyways, moving on to the next box that I'm going to struggle with. Also, it is so freaking hot in my room right now. All right, more stuff I don't care about. What I care about, though, is the amp. Again, stupid freaking sweaty ass fingers. Get my fingers off there. Get my fingers off there. And the amp. And once again, it's got my name on it. Of course, oh God, I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing here. What are you doing in here, cat? So hot right now, I'm sweating, and I did not prep for this at all. I should probably speed this along, especially since the cat's starting to get involved now. But anyways, this is the EL Stack. Looks pretty good. Yeah, anyways, I'm not going to make this a long video. I'm just going to kind of get this through so I can get everything hooked up because I've got like a couple hours of setting up my desk. So yeah, anyways, this was the unboxing. Very quick, useless unboxing because I don't know what I'm doing.